Alright, we're doing a review. We're looking at these outdoor marine LED lights that we were sent. We want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to us so we could do a test. I'm doing an initial test to see what they look like under power. Wow, they are cool. They are bright, bright blue. I've applied just 12 volts to them, so when we put them on the Kayak, I'm going to get a battery similar to this one but a little bit smaller and put a switch on it and then mount the lights up around the top of the Kayak, and it'll be able to be visible at night and it'll be really cool.
All right, I've got these lights opened up and they're actually pretty cool. They come rolled up like this, so it'll be very easy to install. These cables right here, I'm going to be able to just connect to a battery. Show you here. And then, as you can see, these LED lights, they're very thick and they are equipped with a double stick backside, so I'm going to be able to apply this very easy. On top of that stick adhesive application, it also comes with a set of screws, so you can really mount this in to make sure your lights aren't going anywhere. Let's get installing and see how it goes. I'm excited. Tell me when. All right, I'm ready for application. I've decided to do it right up top so that you can see the lights from all the way around the Kayak, and I think it looks kind of cool right here. I think it would be great to also line it along this strip on the bottom, closer to the hole, but I like this spot because it's going to attach the battery right under my seat and go unnoticed. So if I pull off this application, it's going to be super easy. I have 3M tape that's double stick here, and I am just gonna stick and press my lights right across where I want to apply. I can feel that these are getting a nice good stick. Those aren't going anywhere. I'm gonna do that all the way around and we'll see how it looks. Nice and easy. Line it back up here. Get a good seal here. Wow, those look really cool. I got a little bubble, I can fix that. There we go. Awesome, so I have them rimming the upper part of the Kayak. They're going to be really cool when they light up. You can see from all sides. All right, I have my lights installed on the upper rim of my Kayak. I think this was an awesome spot because you're gonna be able to see it from all directions and it'll light up where I'm sitting. How cool do these look? The installation was super fast and easy. It took me maybe a minute. And now I have this ready to connect to a battery that I'm going to secure under my seat. And these are gonna light up just awesome. Thanks again for sending me these to try out. They're awesome.